something like this, and I was whipped severally, and they could ask me questions about some of those groups that we were in, trying to tell us I think they're expecting some answers of some sort.
Sababu ya kuzuiliwa kwao ikiwa ni hofu ya kuchochea maandamano.
They were trying to create a narrative that we were going to Uganda to bring the Gen Z in Uganda. I think that is basically insulting the intelligence of Ugandans. I mean the intellect of Ugandans, surely. They can do the work. We don't have to go and teach them how to do these things.
Wanasema walikuwa wakizuiliwa kambi ya jeshi ya Kasenyi, ambako kuna zaidi ya watu 150 waliotekwa nyara na kuzuiliwa kwa sababu za kisiasa.
They have been detained, some of them up to a year. That is what is calling the fridge, if you want to know what the fridge is. So there are some people who are actually in the freezer, not in the fridge. And as a human rights issue, these people have no cases. Most of them, they've been kept there for political reasons.
In Kasenyi, it's a military camp. Let me tell you, you wake up at 3:30, not because you want to wake up from your uncomfortable sleep sometimes, but it is because you hear bullets and bombs and people shouting there. They are training there. That is a place that psychologically is a very big torture.
Wakinyoshea kidole cha lawama kikosi maalum cha jeshi Uganda, wametaka mataifa ya nje kuingilia kati na kuzuia visa hivi ambavyo vinaendeshwa bila ya kujali haki za kimsingi. Licha ya mateso na dhulma waliopitia